Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So today we're going to do Surah Fil. Okay, we're not going to go into the background of the surah, but the meaning of the name of the surah is the chapter of the elephant. Surah Fil Makkiyah. So it was revealed before the migration. So it's to do the seerah of the Prophet ﷺ, so maybe we'll discuss it at a different time. So now going on to the surah, so I'm going to start. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. So it's wajib, it's necessary to read ta'awudh before reciting the Quran. And there's a sunnah to read Bismillah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Okay, now going on to the surah. So I've circled a few difficult letters which you need to make note of. You need to try and put in extra emphasis to try and say the letters. So generally the letters that students make mistake in. So here's another one. Ayn. So I'm going to read it. Alam tara. So ta is empty mouth. Ra is full mouth. Ta, ra. So it's a quick switch. Alam tara. Alam tara. So not tara. Many students, what they do to make the ra full mouth, they make the ta full mouth, ta full mouth as well. So they end up saying alam tara. Yeah, so the ta becomes a ta by making it full mouth. Alam tara kayfa fa'ala rabbuka bi ashabil fil. Okay, and I forgot the ha as well over here. I guess it's another difficult letter. So alam tara, then the ayn over here, fa'ala rabbuka, the ra is also another full mouth letter. Rabbuka. And here you have to differentiate, you have to say the sad clearly. So it's different from the sin. So it's not bi'asha, bi'as, it's a full mouth sound. Sad is a full mouth letter. So the way you read a full mouth is as if you pretend as if there's your mouth is full of food. So bi'as, ha, and the big ha over here. Bi'as ha bil fil. So there's a few letters that you need to make note of: the ayn, the sad, the ha, and also the other things I pointed out. So I'm going to read it one more time. Alam tara kayfa fa'ala rabbuka bi ashabil fil. Next one. Now here this jim is highlighted to show there's a qalqala. So jim is a qalqal letter. So you have to make an echo sound. Alam yaj'al, alam yaj'al kaydahum fi tadlil. Okay, kaydahum, which is easy. Fi, that's fine. Now the dad here is where many students make mistakes. It's not a dal, it's not tadalil. It's a dad, and dad is a full mouth letter. Tadlil. So ta has to be empty mouth, ta. And then you have to quickly switch to full mouth while saying the dad. Tadlil, tadlil. So many students, again, what they do to make the dad full mouth, they make the ta full mouth as well. So they end up saying tadlil, tadlil, which is a mistake. So it has to be fi tadlil, ta, empty mouth, and then quick switch to a full mouth before you say the dad. So I'm going to read the whole line. Okay, here. ألم يجعل كيدهم في تضليل. Now the third ayah. وأرسل. The ra is full mouth. So when the ra has a sukun, you look at the letter before it. So that is fatha, so it will be full mouth. وأرسل. And here I've circled the ayn. So you make sure you pronounce the ayn clearly. So it's not alayhim with a hamza. It's ayn. Alayhim. وَأَرْسَلَ عَلَيْهِمْ. And here it's not tayran, it's a ta, tayran. If you say ta, it'd be a major mistake. So you have to make sure you say that full mouth. وَأَرْسَلَ عَلَيْهِمْ طَيْرًا. And the ra is also full mouth. طَيْرًا أَبَابِيل. So here the ayn and the ta. And then the ra full mouth. Ra is also full mouth. So, but main two things are the ayn and the ta. Make sure you pronounce them clearly. وَأَرْسَلَ عَلَيْهِمْ طَيْرًا أَبَابِيلَ. Next. تَرْمِيهِمْ. Make sure you do the إخفاء mim sakin. So there's a mim sakin and after is a ba, so you have to do a slight gunna sound. تَرْمِيهِمْ. And now here, this letter over here is a B, and then underneath it is a ha with a kasra. So you have to say it from the middle of the throat. Bihi. ترميهم bihi. So the letter circled here is the ha. So you make sure you pronounce that clearly. ترميهم بحجارة من سجيل. So here idgham will happen. So timmin. And here the ikhfa will happen. Min sijil. So I'm going to read this line again one more time. This the fourth ayah. ترميهم. So again the ta empty mouth and the ra sukun will also be slightly full mouth because of the fatha before it. ترميهم بحجارة من سجيل. Okay, so main thing here is the ha. That's why I've circled this one. Now the last ayah, ayah number 5, 3 letters here. Main 3 letters many students make mistake on. First is the ayn, so it's faja'ala, not faja'ala with the hamza. Faja'alahum. And then a ka, then the ayn again over here. Ka'as, and then a sad. Okay, so you have to read the letter such that it's not a sin. So it's not ka'as fim with a sin. You have to show that it's a sad by making it full mouth. Ka'as fim. So listen to how I say it. Ka'as fim. Ka'as fim ma'kul. So the whole line. فَجَعَلَهُمْ كَعَصْفٍ مَأْكُولٍ. And this is a hamza. مَأْكُولٍ. It's like a hiccup. فَجَعَلَهُمْ كَعَصْفٍ مَأْكُولٍ. Okay, now I'll read the whole surah. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ألم تر كيف فعل ربك بأصحاب الفيل ألم يجعل كيدهم في تضليل وأرسل عليهم طيرا أبابيل ترميهم بحجارة من سجيل فجعلهم كعصف مأكول. That's the end of the surah. So review this video again and again and keep on practicing. Tajweed is all about practicing. The more you practice, the better you get at it. And you won't get these straight away. So the how to say the dad, the ayn, or the ha, you won't get it straight away. So the more you practice, the better you will be at doing this.